Okay, this guy Brandon says this is the most underrated side hustle of the 2020s, and it's not Twitch, it's not Twitter, it's not Instagram, it's actually selling digital products on Etsy. He says it's the most lucrative and underrated side hustle of the 2020s because it's fastest growing e-commerce right behind Chewy, Apple, and Amazon, so it has a lot of potential. Now, how it works is like this. You make a digital planner or a digital product like a resume template and you upload it and it becomes evergreen. You basically put keywords under it and people will go to it on a regular basis. It's faceless. The only downside of this I tried is that it takes time to make one template. It took me a whole day to make. I got it uploaded. I got a few impressions. You have to realize that just posting one isn't going to do anything. I think you're going to have to post maybe 20, 30, 40, even 50 of them before you start to see results. So if you go in with that expectation, then yeah, this could be a very lucrative side hustle. In the meantime, if you want my most profitable side hustle ever, you can go to my profile and try it. I have 30 other side hustles that I've recently tested, and my top 5 are right at the top.